Hello children, welcome to Minutes of Maths. Today I am going to teach you Class 8 Square and Square Roots Exercise 6.2 Problems. First question is find the square of the following numbers. Here they have given some numbers. We need to find out the square of the given numbers. So we are going to use one method. To find the square, what we will do, we will multiply the number with itself. Then we will get the square. But without doing this much calculation, without doing the actual multiplication, we can go on to some other method. That is, first you need to split this 32 into two numbers. That means tens and ones. So if you 32 can be written as 30 plus 2. Why we are splitting this into tens and ones? Because tens, if you split like this, your calculation will be easier. Because tens number we can multiply easily. So we need to find the square of this number. So you need to write square. Here also you need to write square. So 30 plus 2 the whole square means what? 30 plus 2 2 times. 30 plus 2 into 30 plus 2. Got it? Next is what we have to do. Already you have studied in last algebraic expression. What is the multiplication? That means this is the binomial multiplication. This is one binomial and this is one binomial. What we will do? We will write first term of the first binomial and then we will write the second binomial as it is. 2 plus next term of the first binomial and the second binomial as it is. Now we have to multiply this first term with each term of the second binomial. 30 30s are 900 plus 30 into 2 60 plus 2 into 30 60 plus 2 into 2 4. So now we need to add these all. 900, the 60 plus 60 will be 120. So this is 1024. This way we can find out the square of the given number without doing actual multiplication work. Next we will do this part. Rest of the part I think you can do yourself. I will teach this part. 93. Second part you can do 30 plus 5. You can split this number as 30 plus 5. This part you can split as 80 plus 6. And this part, one more thing I will teach you. This one, for fourth part 93, we can write like this too. That means 100 minus 7. This way also you can split the number. If you simplify this, you will get 93, right? So this way also we can do. Instead of 90 plus 3, we can write like this too. So the whole square, what we will do? 100 minus 7 whole square. 2 times 100 minus 7. And then we'll write first term of the first binomial and the second binomial as it is we need to write. Next is, here it is minus 7, so write minus 7. This is the next term. Usually term we will take with the sign. So it is minus 7 into 100 minus 7. Now we need to multiply this 100 to each term of the second binomial. If you multiply these two, you will get 10,000. 100 into 100 is 10,000 minus 700. 100 into 7 minus 7 into 100 700 minus into minus plus 7 sevens are 14. So here 10,000 and 14 is both are positive. So you need to add this first, 10,000 and 14, and these two are negative, so you need to add this both, because same sign we will add both. Different sign we will subtract and put the bigger number sign. Here you can see both are different sign. This is plus and this is minus, so you need to subtract this and write the bigger number sign. This is the bigger number sign, so your answer will be in positive. So if you subtract 10,014 and 14,000, you will get 4 1. Here you are doing minus. This is 6 and this is 8 1. So your answer is 18614. This one you can try with a 90 plus 3 too. If you do like that, then also you will get the same answer. So here 71, you can try, split this number as 70 plus 1. This is 46. You can split this as 40 plus 6, or you can split this number as 50 minus 4. This way also you can split the number. Got it? Let's move on to second question. Question number 2. Write a Pythagorean triplet whose one number is 6. We know what is the Pythagorean triplets. The triplet are 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. Here we know m should be greater than 1. Got it? So these are the Pythagorean triplet. Here they have given one number is Pythagorean triplet. So you can take any one as 6. You can take m square minus 1 as 6, as well as m square plus 1 as also 6. According to that, your triplet will get different. So you need to take, now we will take 2m as 6. If you 2m as 6, then what is the now m? M is 6 upon 2, which is equivalent to 3. First one is, this is first triplet, that means one of the triplet. Now we need to find out what is m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. M square minus 1 is equivalent to, m is already we have found it is 3. So 3 square minus 1, which is equivalent to 9 minus 1 is equivalent to 8. This is our second number of the triplet. Next we need to find out m square plus 1, which is equivalent to, m is 3 we know. So 3 square minus 1 is equivalent to 9 minus, it is plus 1 is equivalent to 10. This way we can find out the Pythagorean triplet. Let's move on to second part. In second part also we can take 2m is 14 because it is a even number only. Okay. If the given number is even number, you can directly take 2m is equivalent to 14. That means this part is the given number. Then you can find the rest of the two numbers. If the given number is odd, then you need to think what we have to take. This one or this one. If they have given 5, that time what we will do? If we take 2m is equivalent to 5, then our m will be 2.5, right? So according to that, this calculation gets tougher because it is a decimal number. So you need to take like that. That means if we can take, it is a m square minus 1 is equivalent to 5. That time also what will happen? M square is equivalent to 5 plus 1, which is equivalent to 6. Again we need to take the square root of the 6. See, we know 6 is not a perfect square number. We can't take the square root, but we can take like this, m is equivalent to root 6. We can write like this. This is also a one type. If m is equivalent to root 6, then you can find out the next number, what it is, m square plus 1. If you take m square plus 1 is 5. Let's see. So m square is equivalent to 5 minus 1. M is equivalent to 5 minus 1 will be 4. We know 4 is the square number of 2. So we can write m is equivalent to 2. So you need to check in what number we can take, whether it is a 2m or m square minus 1, m square plus 1. According to that, our calculation gets easier. Got it? So if they have given the given number is even number, then you can directly take 2m is the given number. So that I have written here 14 also 2m. Then we need to find out next number of Pythagorean triplet, which is m square minus 1. Here you need to find m value, which is 14 upon 2, which is equivalent to 7. So m is equivalent to 7. So you need to apply the value here. 7 square minus 1 is equivalent to 49 minus 1, which is equivalent to 48. Next is m square plus 1, which is equivalent to m square is 49 plus 1, which is equivalent to 50. So the Pythagorean triplets are 14, 48, 50. These are the Pythagorean triplet. If you take 2m is 14. This way you need to find out. Let's do fourth part. Third part you can do yourself. So 18 also even number. So I am going to take 2m is 18. If 2m is 18, our m is 18 upon 2, which is equivalent to 9. So m is 9. We need to find out rest of the numbers. M square minus 1 first. M square, if m is 9, then m square will be 81. 81 minus 1 is equivalent to 80. Next is m square plus 1. We know m square is 81 and plus 1, which is equivalent to 82. So the Pythagorean triplets are 9, 80, 82. These are the Pythagorean triplet. If you take 2m is 18. In this way you can do yourself third part. In the next class we will solve the exercise problems of 6.3. Thank you.